Okay, so, my name's Austin, and I got some fishing bait when I was out at sea. And this stuff is awesome. It's called SPTLIMES. Since 06, I don't know what this company is, never heard of them. It's made in China, I guess. SPTLIMES. I'm gonna call them SPTLIMES. I tried to YouTube SPTLIMES what it was. Haven't Googled it yet, but I haven't seen anything on YouTube about it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and label this as the first ever SPTLIMES unboxing video. My friend got me this when I was out at sea, and totally just hooked me up. I'm so thankful. Shout out to Elizabeth for hooking me up with a sweet bait. Totally needed it. This stuff looks awesome. I don't know if this is saltwater or freshwater. I mean, it has a little bit of everything. I mean, you can use these spoons for everything. It got some pretty nice spoons in here. I hooked myself. It's got a purple feather on it. It's a little twisty action going on right there. And then we got a little guy, single hook. We have a peppered blade. I think this is called peppered. When the bait is hammered. Oh, hammered. It might be a hammered blade or peppered. But that thing looks pretty cool. And we got these. They're pretty nice baits. I mean, the hooks are nice on them. A good thing to look for when you buy some new baits with treble hooks on them is scrape them against your nail. And if they can scratch the surface, you can scratch like an S or something into your nail, then it's a pretty sharp hook. Also in this little baggie, they gave me some extra red tabs for the spoons. They gave me, looks like some stuff for Carolina rigs. Got your snap, got your weights, got your hook. And we have a couple lead heads in there, which is pretty neat. I'm not gonna unbag all this. It's just gonna make a huge mess all over the desk, and I'm not gonna want to clean it up. I'm too tired right now. What we got here? We got a lipless crankbait. Loving this color. I don't even know what this is called. Maybe clown color. But I mean, I'm gonna try it out in the videos coming up. So that's a rattle trap. Here's somewhat of a crankbait, jerk bait. I'm gonna go with jerk bait. It's got some good hooks on it. We got a topwater plug right here. This is definitely a very good saltwater color. I mean, it's got the sparkle in it. Oh yeah, it's gonna work great in saltwater. So here is something I've never seen before: is artificial crickets. What is this? And where did these come from? It's not focusing. Maybe if I adjust the light. More light, less light. My hands are dirty. I'm not a dirty person, I swear. Here's some grubs. Fish love grubs. It's like a little sparkly color kind of thing. I don't really know what this is all about. I guess this is a crawdad. I don't really know. I don't know if it's glow in the dark or not. I'm pretty sure it's glow in the dark. But yeah. We have a Swedish fish, lime green color flavor, colored flavor. And some more of these. I don't even know what these are. Are these maggots? Am I supposed to eat these? I dropped it. It's gone. Got some froggies. Got some tree froggies here. These look delicious. I'm not gonna lie. If I was about 7 or 8 years old, I'd try to eat these. Here's a shrimp. Looks like the same clown color as my rattle trap up there. It actually is. I'll be darned. Let me look at this. Just about. You had to have been there. Anyways, we have a little minnow in here. Let me get this minnow out. It's pretty nice. It's not a bad looking minnow. I mean, if I had it. Now, what are these? Worms? How do you fit these on a hook? Look how tiny that is. That's kind of funny. It's like, what do I do with these? And a green cricket. And more tiny grubs. So that's the boxing video of SPTLIMES. So I'm really looking forward to using these spoons. Spoons around here, around Cape Canaveral, Florida. Great for fish. Fish love spoons. Definitely look forward to trying all of these hard baits out. Looks like they gave you everything here, though. You know, you got your hooks, Carolina rig, weights, snap swivels, lead heads. You know, you got your hard baits, and you have your spoons, and that's really it. I don't really know how much she paid for this box, but regardless, I'm thankful because it was a gift, and I thought it'd be cool to do a little unboxing. So this little guy, not bad. So that concludes this video. I'm Austin, and thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments what you want to see next in the videos or whatever, what you thought of this. Feel free to thumbs down it. I won't care. But yeah, thanks for watching.